Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are exploring a project that's breaking into a space many aren't watching closely enough, real-world assets on the blockchain. That project is Plume Token, ticker Plume, an EVM-compatible network built to tokenize real-world assets, RWAs, and bring them seamlessly on-chain. Now, if you've just heard about Plume, you're not alone. What's exciting is how it's entering the market, with serious backing and infrastructure. Let's break it down. As of today, Plume is trading near 10 cents to 11 cents per token, with a 24-hour trading range between about $0.089 and 11 cents, and showing a healthy 4 to 8% price gain in the last 24 hours. That rebound reflects growing investor enthusiasm. Looking at supply metrics, Plume's circulating supply is sitting around 2.65 billion tokens, with a total and max supply capped at 10 billion Plume. Its market cap is sitting in the $270 to $280 million range, relatively small but meaningful in the RWA platform category. Liquidity is solid too. The 24-hour volume is eye-catching, running between $30 million and over $50 million. All factors considered, people are actively trading and paying attention. But the market data is only part of the story. What makes Plume special is its real-world asset infrastructure. Unlike most altcoins chasing vapor, Plume isn't just a chain. It's building a toolkit for bridging finance and blockchain. It offers a tokenization engine, compliance tooling, data normalization, all wrapped into a permissionless EVM stack for RWAs. Since launching its mainnet, the numbers are striking. Over 100 institutional-grade RWA deployments, $366 million in TVL, and more than 190,000 holders of tokenized real-world assets, all in just 2 months. What's more, Plume is partnering across the globe, from tokenizing $40 million in Brazilian assets through Mercado Bitcoin, to launching the Roico market by RealtyX DAO for real estate yield instruments. It's also building startup infrastructure.